Tasman Bay, my homies. I'm currently here in the Tasman Bay, and I don't know what they are, but I'll just research when I get home. What are they again? Tesselated pavement is just around the corner. Pirates Bay. This is the somewhere in Eagle Hawk. But yeah, nice view out there. You can see some cruises just going around. And we're on the peak here. There's parking lot, there's coffee over there. I'm gonna drink coffee, but I'll see what I can do.
Fucking GoPro.
Why?
Just hangs. Not doing anything, not saving, nothing. Fuck that GoPro. GoPro, fuck you.
Bitter. And a bitter man.
It won't turn off even if you press this fucking shit.
Like a green covered water lotion. So, trying to come down the pavement. This is created by salt getting into the sheet. Gloria, what the fuck are you going? What?
Taas ang tubig. Taas ang tubig. Natin tubig.
No. According to history, a lot of salt crystals get into the cracks.
But dito siya kumuha ng light.
Yeah. A lot of the salt go into the cracks, and as time goes by, it separates the.
This is what I said.
I've already looked. That's what she said. Yeah, I saw that. Yeah.
Pang ano siya, pang mga light.
Landscape, but yeah, we're here as tourists, not as photographers.
No.
But
You would still see it.
okay.
Now it's covered with water, so let's go see.
That's why I know there's less people here today.
I think it depends on what time of day.
JM, you want a wet shot? Oh, it's coming! Woohoo! What did you say? What did you say?
I hope you know that.
English pag yun. Oops. Nope.
Huh?
Salt. Salt go into the holes and then they
Ano straight man kayo eh?
split them to the, they're very strict with quality control. We're still going around the tesselated pavement here in Tasmania. Nice place. You would think this is man-made, but no, this is not.
Now it's man-made, man. That's good.
Okay, if you say so.
I don't believe that it's not man-made. It's fucking obviously
Nobody's
man-made.
forcing
Someone
you.
like, probably the aliens made this.
Siguro ito no, kasi mga sunset photos.
Yeah, somewhere there maybe. In the beach. You can go to the beach and then watch over the beach. Cause we ain't never getting over. You have any music that we can dance to?
Just because you have nothing to say doesn't mean.
I just want a good footage. How about you say fuck you again? Say fuck you. Say fuck. Come on. Say it. Say it.
Nothing, man. There's no photo, no video. Unable to view. Aliens, fucking man.
So JM, how do you think this happened?
Look at that lines this right.
And you can see this. Look at this. Look at the lines. Look at the lines.
That's fucking straight, man. That's all.
It's so straight. What type of aliens? From what country? Yeah.
Planet, you mean planet.
Illegal aliens. From what country?
Probably China, because they're like everywhere.
No, this is not coming out.
Chinese.
This is not coming out. Hangak ako.
Food.
Jem mo lang yun.
Galing mo dyan.
Na,
Hangak ako.
parang kutak
Mapagkunwari.
breathing lang. Wait. Adi kong istorya.
What? You don't believe, cuz?
He believes in
I'm
magic.
just covering the fact that aliens exist. Those are lies. Fucking lies, man.
You are an alien.
I think somebody from the council is an alien. Who's covering it up.
Like Chinese aliens. I have nothing against the Chinese again. I'm not disclaimer. But I'm pretty sure the aliens made it.
They found naman traces of
Alien?
life. Pero the very basic pa
That's
sa
a-
Mars.
Yeah, okay. Because aliens don't live in Mars anymore. We used to live in Mars, then we moved here. Then some of our brothers and sisters moved somewhere else. And they just left us here as babies. And we've been sucking cows' breasts. That's how we became like, adults.
House milk
Oh,
is for
shut up,
baby
dog.
cows. It's not for humans.
Actually, the first few humans were from New Zealand and Australia because there are so many cows. They had to breed more cows so that people could suck their cows' breast. Or cows.
You're dead, man. If I post this, you're gonna be.
That's my theory. I'm just saying. Aliens do exist.
Well, fuck
they look like
evolution.
us.
We all came from cow's milk. What?
We all came from what?
Nowhere.
That's why people, especially men, are obsessed with breasts. Like a cow's breast. And they want huge breasts like cow's breasts.
Fuck yeah.
Like multiple tits.
Yeah, multiple tits like Alien from the movie. What movie is that? Arnold Schwarzenegger. Was it Arnie?
Total Recall.
Yeah, Total Recall.
It was repackaged as Toy Recall.